guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a clean and decorate with me.
I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
So first I just needed to clear off and clean up everything, and also needed to take some fall things down. As you can tell, this video I recorded a while back because we already have our Christmas tree up, but I wanted to get this video out to you guys just because Christmas is my favorite time of the year, and even though I didn't get a chance to send it out earlier, I still wanted to get it out to you guys. But in a minute you will get to see a real life moment, and this is just what happens sometimes, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up and squared away.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes.
So here I wanted to bring out the corded vacuum because I just know that it can suck up so much more dirt, especially in this rug, and so I wanted to give it a good vacuum. And then you're gonna see me go over it again, but doing the slow vacuum, and it was definitely definitely a game changer. I'm gonna start doing that from now on to these carpet, to go over it the first time, like, you know, quickly like I'm doing now, and then go over it slowly.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder.
So I want to slow this clip down just so you can see what a slow vacuum actually looks like. And this is real time, and don't worry, I'm not going to keep it like this whole time, but I just wanted you to see what it looked like, and then I'm going to speed it back up just so it will go by a little faster.
Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
So I was just getting the last bit of the fall things down, and I actually recorded this video on Halloween. So I was just getting the last of the fall stuff down so I can get ready to put up all the Christmas stuff. And you'll see here where you can see all the Christmas stuff that we have, and it has actually changed since then, just because we have a Christmas tree up, we have garland now, and so everything has changed.
the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas.
So I know you can see the price tags of most of the things that I bought, but I didn't buy them from Target. They are Target brand stuff, or they are, you know, stuff that you would buy from Target, but I actually got them from a store called Dirt Cheap, and they sell things that are from Target, and but they just sell it a little cheaper because it may be out of season. And so I actually got these like back in the summertime, or actually it wasn't summertime because we were in quarantine. It was right before we got into quarantine. I bought these things, and it says like $5, but it'll be like 60% off or 80% off, and then like one time Christmas stuff was 90% off. So I got all these things for way cheaper than what I would have gotten them for at Target.
Is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and push that subscribe button. If you are new, give it a like too, and if you would like to, you can leave me a comment down below. And I just appreciate each one of you for watching, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Bye.
All snow is falling down.